Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you unbelievably delicious recipe of salted zucchini with garlic and lemon. So, if you like our videos guys, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this recipe, we are gonna need olive oil. In total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we are gonna need 1 lemon, 1 piece of green onion, half of onion, white onion, then 3 pieces of medium zucchini, 4 pieces of garlic. Then we are gonna need our unforgettable spices, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with dried mint, oregano, black pepper, red hot chili pepper, salt, cumin, and rosemary. Guys, if you don't have any of these spices, don't worry. You can use any of the spices that you eat enjoying. So guys, let's start cooking. I'm gonna start with opening the fire. First, it should be on the high level because we want our olive oil to get hot. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of olive oil, guys. So this is first, second, and third. It's time for our really thinly chopped onion and diced garlic to be in. So first I'm gonna add our onion. That is our diced garlic and just mix them up. Once your onion becomes a little bit yellow color, it's time for our zucchinis to be in. So what I did was I cut each zucchini into half, and each half I cut into 4 or 6 pieces depending on the size. All right guys, so we are just gonna place it as it is. After that, make your fire on medium. And then now it's time for our spices to be in. So because my spices didn't fit into one plate, I placed them into 2. Now I'm gonna mix them all. What I'm gonna do guys is just I'm gonna mix with my finger. Guys, again, as I told you, you can use any of the spices that you eat enjoying. So we love the spices that give really good smell and that just spread it around. Then guys, I have taken out by grate the skin of the lemon, so that also goes in. Then now guys, it's time for our green onions to be in. Mix them up. Guys, at this stage, I'm gonna add our lemon juice. Just add it all around and mix them up. Guys, it is so good. It smells good. I'm totally hungry and dying for this. So at the fire, Guys, bon appetit. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching our video. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice evening, guys, and try it out. Let me know in the comments what you like the most about this recipe, guys. Goodbye.